Hi everybody! Today I will show you how CRM recruitment works. It is customized and tuned applicant tracking system based on SugarCRM. The functionality includes both original Sugar modules and custom ones, thus bringing the best solution to recruiters and managers. So let's imagine that we have a vacancy that needs to be closed. So for that we will go to the Jobs module and pick the one vacancy that needs to be closed. So for example, it's going to be Marketing Director. We click on that job and here we can see the basic information provided about this vacancy. So as we can see that we can bind this particular job to any company that provides this vacancy. We can fill out some basic information like total open positions, city, country, job status, position type, compensation information, responsible employees, for example, recruiters from your side, from the client side as well, different requirements for this particular job. For example, it's going to be education level, different foreign languages which are required for this job, and also skills. As we can see, we have plenty of those. And to see job overview, we can take a look on the right side of your SugarCRM. Here you can see the current chart, which provides you with the information regarding applications. We can see the statuses of those applications. We see that 4 applicants were contacted and 1 even was offered. We also see here history chart, which helps us to see what has been done to all those applications which are here. We also can manage different activities in here. For example, it's going to be calls, emails, meetings, or different interviews, some notes and tasks for this particular job. And as I said before, we can see that 1 position has already been offered. So to see how the module actually works, I suggest us to create a new vacancy. So to do that, we will press Create button and fill out the required fields. For example, we want to have middle Java developer. And we know that this particular company provided us with this job. So we have to fill out also city, let it be London, and country UK. We have only 1 open position. The employment type is employee. The date closed, for example, 10th of April. So compensation information, let it be quite generous. Responsible employees, let it be me. Different requirements, let's see, middle level specialist. Job category, for example, distribution. Education level, let it be master degree. And years of work experience, okay, 3 or 4 years. And skills, since we have middle Java developer, so Java is required. And finally, we press Save button. And right now we will just overview the information that we just filled up. As we can see, the current chart and history chart, they are empty as we do not have any applications. So let's try to update some information. We press Actions button and create applications. Here we can see all the candidates that are registered in our system. So you see we have plenty of those, and I need to filter them, for example, by skills. And we know that we have to find the right candidate with Java skill. So let's just press here my saved skills search. This will be skill Java. And right now, okay, we see all those candidates that have this skill. So we select all of them except this one, Matthew, who is hired. So create application. We just wait for a moment till it's gonna be uploaded. Okay, to see the information we have to refresh our current chart. From this moment we start working with the job, and let's imagine that we need to change statuses of the applications. We go to the actions again and choose applications. We select few of the applicants. We press actions again and must update. We choose here status and change it to contacted. We press update button. Right now we see that the status was changed, and to repeat the process, let's change it to contact interview, which is actually good for our job. Okay, so right now let's review the changes in the current chart. Okay, now we can see everything. Also, to continue working with this job, we can create different calls, emails, meetings, notes, tasks, anything for our own convenience, to see what changes or what has been done to this particular job. So right now let's go to the candidates module and create a new candidate. And let's upload file to use our parsing feature, which is our candidate's CV, and we will just wait for a moment till some information will be parsed. Okay, so in here we can see the CV preview, and let's go directly to the skills so I could show you then how it actually can be searched by those filters. So we press save button, and okay, John Smith was successfully created. So right now let's see how candidates can be filtered by skills. So usually we choose skill filter, then press is any of, and then for example .NET developers. And now we see all those candidates who have this skill. So right now let's take a brief review of Patrick Skinner profile. So in here we will see some basic information regarding this candidate, some contact information, experience in education, and we can see that current position is filled, so the guy is working right now. Some compensation, different activities, so he was trying to get those jobs as well, calls, emails, meetings that were held, notes, different tasks for us to do regarding this candidate, and employment history. Some information regarding the jobs that he already had the desktop developer, for example, is a current position right now. So I believe that's pretty much all. Thank you for your attention and have a great day.